y'all, welcome back to my channel. So I am gonna do I guess a grocery haul technically, but meal planning loosely. I'm not much of a planner, but have to buy groceries for this week or for a few weeks. So I try to pick out a few meals that I know I'm gonna eat, so I know I'm buying what I need in the refrigerator and that things won't go bad. So I just wanted to bring y'all along for this process. Usually what I do, I get a lot of my meals, most of them, not all, from Pinterest. So I just kind of write down in my phone. I have a note what I want to eat each day: Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday. So for me, usually, and I have all this stuff on the floor over there. It's just, don't mind all that stuff. I have to clean. But usually what I do is I have dedicated days. So Tuesday is usually Taco Tuesday or some kind of taco dish situation. Friday is Pizza Friday for dinner, and then Monday is Salmon Monday. So I usually do salmon, mashed potatoes, and a veggie. So like Brussels sprouts, broccoli, asparagus. It kind of just depends what's going on. My husband is on a healthy kick lifestyle journey situation, so he usually only just eats a protein and a vegetable, and he's not really eating many carbs, although he did eat potatoes tonight. So I'm going to bring it along with that. I'm going to show you how I find my meals on Pinterest. A lot of my meals I get from watching other people on YouTube, and then some things I just kind of scroll through and find, and then sometimes I just cook based off what's in my refrigerator. I think there's an app, I'll try to link the app down below if I can remember it, where you can like put in the ingredients that you have available, and then it'll like make a meal, or I guess like give you an ingredients for a dish with what you have already in your pantry, in your refrigerator. So that's pretty cool. I haven't used it though. I heard somebody else from YouTube talking about it, but I'll try to link that down below too. So let's get into this video and hope you enjoy. Y'all make sure to hit that red thumbs up, the red subscribe button, and the thumbs up button, and leave any comments down below. Okay y'all, so this is I just wanted to show y'all how I get my meals for the week. So I have a food Pinterest board of all kind of meals. First of all, so what I do, I just kind of scroll through. I save meals that I like, things that are quick and easy, things I can kind of just cook quick. So I'm just gonna go through here. So I know that I probably want to do Marry Me chicken this week. So what I'll do, I'll go through the Pinterest, get down to the bottom of the ingredients if I can find them. This right here. So I will need olive oil, chicken breast, salt, pepper, thyme, red pepper flakes, chicken broth, heavy cream, sun-dried tomatoes, Parmesan cheese, and basil. So I have all of these things except chicken breast, I have chicken broth, chicken breast, heavy cream, and sun-dried tomatoes. So what I do is I'll go into my phone and open up a new note. And so I'll write, so tomorrow is going to be Wednesday. So that will be Marry Me Chicken Day. And then I just make a list of what I need. So I need chicken breast for this. Make a list of things that I don't have. The heavy cream, and then the sun-dried tomatoes. And a lot of these recipes usually are like staple items. So like I have onions, I have peppers, that kind of thing. I think this recipe calls for cooking wine, but I have that too. So it's usually with these recipes you don't need like a bunch of stuff, but I still try to you know, make a list. And then I'll do Thursday, and then I'll do Friday. Again, Friday is going to be pizza. So I just go back to Pinterest, I'll scroll through on my food board, see what, oh, this isn't my food board, see what pops out at me. Again, I'm trying to do simple, quick, not anything very difficult. Rasta pasta sounds good, so I'll go to Rasta pasta. Maybe we'll have that Thursday, and then I just scroll down to find what ingredients I need. So olive oil, onion, bell peppers, garlic, Jamaican jerk seasoning, which you make yourself, and I have everything for that. Fire roasted tomatoes, coconut milk, you can sub for heavy cream, which I already have or added on my list. Parmesan cheese, fettuccine pasta. I know I don't have fettuccine pasta, so for Thursday I'll write Rasta pasta, and then write what I need. So, oops. I need the fettuccine pasta, and there was something else on there I said I needed. Shrimp or chicken. Oh, so I need shrimp. So we're out of all of our meat, so I have to buy that anyway. I usually buy chicken, shrimp, salmon, and sandwich meat, so I'll have that automatically. And then Friday is usually Pizza Friday. Me and my husband will order a pizza. Well, and recently, because he's been on a health kick, he buys like these specialty healthy kind of pizzas. So I'll either just order individual pizza for myself from like Blaze Pizza, or I'll get like a freezer pizza that I can just pop into the oven. And then Saturday is kind of like a whatever day. I may do like a chicken patty. More than likely I'll buy something to eat because it's Saturday. And then Sunday, I'm not sure. I'm thinking maybe chicken wings and like a veggie with maybe some rice or mashed potatoes. I have this chicken recipe. It's been my go-to. It's just Italian dressing, seasoning, and butter. I use 2 bottles of Italian dressing, a pound of chicken wings. I think you cook it in the oven 350 for 45 minutes. Comes out pretty good. So this is what I do. I just make a list. So Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday, Sunday, to kind of give me a general idea of how I want to plan the week. And then I'll show y'all next how I go on to Harris Teeter and then just buy everything I need. Okay, y'all, so that is the end of this video. Hope y'all enjoyed. Make sure to hit that thumbs up button, the red subscribe button, and leave any comments down below. And hope y'all come back for another video. Bye.